Here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, we understand the passion that our customers have for boating. We help them select the best boat that meets their lifestyle, and we're able to do that because most of our team members are avid boaters themselves. We show them how to use the boat, and that's the entire family. And the most powerful thing we do is we show them how to have fun.
A couple of really unique things about MarineMax and Wrightsville Beach, I'd say, is our location. We're located right off of the Intercoastal Waterway, situated between two inlets, and we're right in the heart of Wrightsville Beach.
Boating in this area at Wrightsville Beach is incredible. You have Masonboro Island, you have Lee Island. There's so many places to boat, you don't even have to go in the ocean. You can have your own private island for the day. And when we have an incoming tide, the water actually looks like the Caribbean.
How we differentiate ourselves from other boat dealers is we remain involved in the customer's boating experience after the sale.
We got a great family here. We have everything from our salespeople, from service, and we have our full-time captain here that will take you out on the water, teach you everything about the boat, all its systems, to get you out on the water so that you're comfortable with your day of boating.
Walking a new owner through the boat is not just orientation, but also allowing them to understand systems on the boat.
We have such great brands here. We want to make sure that it's not just a handoff from sales and we expect them to go use the boat. So we're going to take time with them as the captain to orient them to every feature. Every boat that we deliver to the customer has full fuel and everything they need to go boating that day.
MarineMax family, I mean, it's tremendous because you're making friends for life. Some of my best friends are people that started out as clients. It's very enjoyable watching the family and the kids grow up in the boating lifestyle. It's the whole family involved. When you get the whole family involved, it's a lot better day out on the water.
One of the best parts of being part of the MarineMax family is participating in getaways. We do a variety of getaways so that boats of every size can participate, whether it's a raft up or a weekend in Bald Head Island or a trip to the Bahamas. We want to make sure that you're utilizing your boat and having a good time.
One of the other significant things is we offer a lot of different classes, from women on the water through intro to boating. What that does is really allow people to get interested in boating if they haven't necessarily done that in the past, give them a great overview of how to be safe on the water and get to know their boats. And we want the boating to be an exciting thing for you, and we want you to return to us with great stories and family memories that you're making from a great purchase and experience with MarineMax.
If you're considering selling your boat, MarineMax is the nation's largest recreational boat seller. We have over 60 locations throughout the United States. So by listing your boat with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, you get exposure with all of our locations and all of our brokers.
We come out, we take detailed photos, we do a complete inventory list, we field phone calls, we take care of haul out surveys, transportation, financing. We really try to make the process as streamlined as possible, one-stop shop to get your boat sold.
Here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, our service team is comprised of 25 team members with a combined 100 years of experience that's truly committed to delivering the best service throughout your entire boating ownership.
We've got a technician team itself here that will be able to take care of any type of repairs. Our service team handles anything that a boat needs. There isn't anything we can't do when it comes to boating.
Whether you're a first-time boater or a seasoned veteran, we'd love to meet you and have you out on the water. Check us out at marinemax.com or visit our floating showroom here in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina.